What are you doing?
I am installing the new bracket that will hold the fan in place. We are missing one of the rubber bumpers, but I think we've got a suitable substitute.
What is that?
That is a tile spacer.
Yes, it is.
All right. It's rubber. The others are rubber. It should work, I think. Should be able to get this started from the previous holes. Tall people problems. Now I am trying to finish installing this bracket so we can attach the wiring and the fan. We can install these bumpers on here. They can fit apart two fans. I'm just tightening down our down rod, making sure it's in place. Our dog is crying for some unknown reason. I think he wants to play with the fan blades. Okay, until it stops, and then I just have to reinsert the set screw and tighten it down with pliers. It says put the wires in the down rod through the canopy. So I'm putting the wires and the down rod through the canopy. Okay, I'm just gonna set this down inside. It should just rest, making sure not to get the wires in the way. We're gonna need all those. Ta-da! So you want to leave anywhere between 8 inches to a foot left over, so when you're taking it down, you have room to work without, if you need to set it down, you can, and you're not having to hold it with one hand while you're trying to do the wires with the other. Sorry, dogs. 2 ground wires, one that's attached to the motor, one that's attached to the mounting bracket. You need to attach those to the bare copper wire, which you can kind of see right here. That's the one I'm touching right now. We're going to use an orange wire connector and connect all 3 together. Now we're just finishing up the wiring by matching up the wires white to white, black to black, red to blue, and connecting with these orange wire connectors like we did with the ground. After that's completed, we'll just zip everything up and cover it up. Now we're just securing the blades to the, what do you call those? What are those called? Now we're just securing the blades to the blade bracket using the grommets we inserted into the blades earlier and the screws. Screwing it from the top down.